Lisa, Travessa dos Lírios. Walking the city streets of Macau, walk in the alleys of Macau, Travessa dos Lírios. Walking the city streets of Macau, walking the alleys of Macau, Travessa dos Lírios. Explore.
Okay, here's a little Travessa dos Lírios. Getting a little bit dark, so I don't know how well this is going to go. But just to give you some context of where we are, we're not too far from the Red Market, and there's also a lot of market stuff over there as well. So this would be the entry spot, and then we're just going to put it up on the map so you know exactly where we are. So this is going to be our target street right here. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Lírios. Let me just I hope this comes out okay. A lot of times when it's so dark like this, it doesn't really come out that great. But this is going to be our target street. It's about 6 p.m. on a Sunday night, and I never filmed the street, so I wanted to capture it and just give an idea what it looks like. There's a lot of activity nearby, but it feels a little bit quiet in this area. This one kind of comes around the corner, so let's just see. Okay, we also have a little patio right there too. That'd be way too dark to go into. Huh. Kind of interesting though. I think we're gonna go into it. This would be too dark. A little patio. Let's see what's in it. A little bit dark. Let's kind of see here. Oh, okay. Actually, a little shop in here. Oh, this little patio goes like this. So there's a shop right there. And it just keeps on going. So I don't know if this is going to come to an ending right in here. And I don't know what it's going to look like. Huh. So let's just keep going. I don't want to move the camera around too much. Huh. There's a little space right there too. So this actually comes to an end right here. Oh, it keeps on going that way too. Huh. So let's just see what's over here. Huh. Okay. They got a cafe right there. Cafe number 6. So they got the window. And we're gonna walk back like that. Huh. Kind of interesting. So this is gonna go. This is a little patio and a. So that's the patio name right there. And then this is our Target Street. Got a little patio. Let's kind of walk around. So we went in a little bit down that way. We'll just see what else is around here. Huh. Sip. That name looks like it could be a bar. It is a bar. Looks like there's more down here. Okay. So kind of an interesting space. See, actually this is a bar. I can see it. So there's seats. It looks like it also goes up there too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. So yeah, there's like little hidden stuff everywhere. There's also some tailors right in here too. Yeah, this is funny. You know, I've been in Macau for 13 years, and there's certain streets that I don't think I've been on this street. Oh, maybe I have. Suddenly I recognize this building right here. I just hadn't been in the patio before, so I have been on this street. It's just been a really long time. Check out those. Okay. Yeah, it's been a really long time. Yeah, there's like a nice little balcony up there too. Yeah, kind of a cool street. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way here. Travessa dos Lírios. Let me just kind of see where we are here. Okay. So this is our Target Street right there. And then we're also going to take a look down here. You have that kind of interesting thing right there. So, okay. So this is Lírios. Before I end this one, you look up, there's kind of some cool balconies all the way up there as well. So let me just go like this. And I'm just gonna capture that space like that. So there was a space in there that we could go to that Lirios, and then there's this kind of interesting little balcony of stuff right there. So we're gonna end our street right here.